Google's NotebookLM has recently received a significant update, introducing a powerful new feature called Video Overviews. This allows you to transform your research materials into narrated video presentations, complete with visuals. I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to use this feature to create a video about the history of space exploration, using a PDF research paper. First, you will want to start by creating a new notebook within NotebookLM. Once you have created your notebook, you will need to add your sources. For this example, I would upload PDF research paper on the history of space exploration. You can also add other related materials like Google Docs with your notes, or even transcripts from relevant YouTube videos to enrich your content. With your source material uploaded, your next step is to navigate to the redesigned Studio panel. Here, you will find several options for generating content, including audio overviews, mind maps, and the new video overview feature. Now for the exciting part, creating the video. Simply click on the video overview option, and you can also customize your video. What makes this feature incredibly useful is the ability to customize the output. For example, you could instruct NotebookLM to create a version of the space history video specifically for a high school science class, or to focus only on the Apollo missions. This allows for a more personalized and effective learning experience. NotebookLM's AI will then get to work, analyzing your PDF research paper and any other sources you have provided. It will automatically generate a narrated video that summarizes the key information, pulling in relevant images, diagrams, quotes, and data directly from your document to create a visually engaging presentation. In conclusion, the Video Overviews feature in NotebookLM is a powerful tool for anyone looking to quickly and easily transform dense research material into a dynamic and digestible format. It streamlines the content creation process, making it an invaluable asset for students, educators, and researchers alike.
So thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and do subscribe.